Welcome to ShortView Trading. This is your 1 minute market hit for Friday the 29th of November, the last trading day of the month. What matters today for traders? So I wanted to talk about bonds today and why equity investors need to look at what's going on in the bond market. Many people ask why not just pick stocks and let those run. But the reality is the interaction between equities and bonds is very important in terms of global asset allocation and very important for equity investors. If you look at equity sector drivers, at the top level, the key driver is the bond market. And you can see that now if you look at equity cyclical sectors versus defensives that we're showing in this chart, the relative performance of those two correlates very highly with bond yields. In fact, about as highly as it's ever correlated in recent weeks, as you can see on this chart. But generally, that works very well and has worked particularly well in the last 10 years. So understanding bond yields is key for cyclicals versus defensives. And of course, we all know that many defensive sectors are bond proxies, utilities, and many cyclicals are beneficiaries of economic growth and rising bond yields. That's why you have the chart in front of you showing financials relative to utilities, also tightly correlated with those bond yields. So you need to look at bond yields to understand your top level equity sector allocation. So that leaves us the question, where are we now on bond yields? Well, there was a major trough in bond yields in the US on the 5th of September earlier this year. Over the past week, bond yields have broadly gone sideways since the 20th of November, Wednesday last week. You can see that on the chart in front of you. So the macro data from here is key and the direction of bond yields is key. So that's why we're watching what we're watching today and over the weekend. For full information on where bond yields are going and our view on bond yields, please see today's daily rag available to subscribers and on the website. So what are we watching today? 4 key things. 1, US Black Friday shopping. First day after Thanksgiving, the beginning of the Christmas season per se for shopping. It's key, the footfall's key, the activity's key, and the markets will be interested and focused on that. Secondly, we're watching for Eurozone flash inflation. Later this morning, that's key. You can see from the chart in front of you, inflation's been super low. Christine Lagarde's trying to shift it up, new policy approach and all that sort of stuff. Third, we're looking at UK consumer credit and mortgage approvals for signs of life and strength in that aspect of the UK economy. And then finally, over the weekend, Chinese PMIs will be coming out, manufacturing and services, the official state ones. So we'll be watching those closely. That's it from us. Thank you for watching. That's your 1 minute market hit for Friday, the 29th of November. Please do subscribe on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook. Thank you for listening.